Donut. Hi, my name is Cal, and this is the video of this cool ship with, of course, a 40XD engine. And see those little lines inside the boat? Those are wires that can contage to the inner engine and the block engine that make the 4XD engine. And what makes them, if the same modes are on, it can go really super fast. But if not, it's just gonna go like this. If teleport was just on, it would be like that. And it could just turn backwards and drive. And there's also interior where it could go back and forth. So if you wanted, actually interior is just back. So anyway, the real engine, so this is the engine. There's 4 engines. So this is the one engine. Actually, there's 5. 1 engine right there, 2 engines right there, 3 engines right there. Actually, there's 4. 3 engines there and 4 engines there.
Oh, there's an engine in the front?
Yeah. The engines, there's 4 because it's so heavy and they need to be able to drive. So if it didn't have 4 engines, it would just be an old ship just not moving.